and welcome back to my channel Bhavya's Bouquet. In today's video I am going to show you one easy and quick to make friendship band. So let's get started. So first of all, you can take a quilling strip of any color. I am taking 5mm size. You can take any size you want. Now I've taken one full strip plus half of the same color. You can take two different colors as well to make it look more colorful and vibrant. Now you need to join the two together like this with a little bit of glue and make sure it's joined properly. You press it this way. Now once this is done, we are going to make a tight coil. Now the procedure of making a tight coil is the same as I have shown you before. You need to rotate your quilling needle and your strip. I've made a video before explaining this in detail. You can check that out. Now you go on rolling this. Now you remove it, loosen it slightly, tighten it again. You can loosen and tighten till you get the size that you want. Now once that's done, you glue it together like this. So you need to make 6 of these. This is how it looks. Now after this we are going to write the word friend on it. So you can make them of different color combinations. I'm going to write alphabet D on this one. So you could use marker pens or sketch pens, anything of your choice and any color of your choice. So when you're writing in the center, you can just blot it a bit to make it visible. Like this. Now since we have all the alphabets, we are going to stick them together. Now you take a ribbon of any color and we are going to paste the word friend on this. In this manner. So we'll be sticking it. You apply a little bit of glue behind and then you stick on the ribbon. You need to let it dry for a while. The next one I'm taking R. And then I'm taking I. Now E. N. So now I've stuck all the alphabets over here, and here you can see the band which has friend written on it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Please subscribe to my channel for more content. Thank you for watching. Happy Friendship Day.